These are so fucking pretty. Like, I wanna, like, why can't I be Jimi Hendrix? Like,
This one. I just think that's the prettiest thing ever.
that reminds me of Drake Bell.
Oh no, that one. That red one.
Ah, cherry red. What are these?
I don't even know.
Why can't there be someone cute like playing guitar for us?
What was this thing? Or what's this?
Piano. I can play one song on the piano and that's it. Will I play it for you? Piano time. Wait.
We're not in sync if you haven't noticed.
Yeah, I have. 1, 2.
How fast are you going to go? Really
Go
fast?
slow because I'm very slow.
I want to go on that one. That one's nice. That one's like the one.
I'd love to just pose on top of that, like sit on it.
I'm gonna go second.
Come here often. Oh yeah. Oh, you're not allowed to touch that, and I touched it. Oh shit.
Right, please we have to.
Oh, this angle's better. Right.
Teach me.
Wait on. Right, you have up to there.
Wait. I'll do it with you. I just want you to do it for that. So you skip 3 and then do that? Come on.
Say a second. No, wait. Do.
What?
Them two, towards. Down.
This one, this down? So, wait. No, I did that wrong.
No, wait, don't do that one. It's just. It's not way. I don't know. I'll just play that bit. And then. Yeah, that's it.
Wait. That doesn't sound right. The last one doesn't sound right. Listen.
No, you don't do that bit. You just go. Is it? I forget it. You have to confuse me.
This room's already like one chord or something.
Yeah, it's this. Right, so go.
Did you know one hand? I can't see what you're doing.
C. This F minor, I think that's called. I don't know. Da. B, C.
So 1.
C, D. Yay! Making me magic, I don't know what will. Oh, gay fanatics. I love this shop. I'm just expecting the toilet to flush anything. Banjos. I don't know what it is. They're like,
That video. I love you.
oh my god, fix it please, I'm afraid. Oh my god.
Fix it and run.
Is that how it goes? I'm terrified.
I wonder would you be able to click.
Oh, a harp. Oh, sick. That song will be playing in my sleep now. Sorry. I have to touch everything. It's like, I'd hate to have OCD.
Why do they call Bowron?
He's so cool. Hey, get me over here because I can't cope.
I think we should like.
Days like today is when I'm really grateful
Windsor.
to live
I live Windsor.
in Dublin. I think it's Cat. Oh, there's the bay. I want to see where Cat lives. Oh, I'm just so grateful to be able to live here. It's so pretty here.
I want this. I got that one.
Yeah,
I just need them so much.
yeah.
Also just dress yourself.
Yeah, that's
okay?
supposed to touch them.
What?
You're such a bad. Like, look how pretty it is here. Like, I'm so grateful to live in Ireland.
I feel like I'm in China.
Yeah, I'm just showing all like mantolins and all. I'm like, Ireland. But anyway, it's the most
This is my favourite
wonderful time. What is this? What are this?
Stacey.
Why is it you getting excited? It should be me. Excuse me?
I want this. I really want this.
I want her.
How good is this look on me?
Maze.
Amaze balls. I mean, amaze vaginas.
I'm thinking of going to prison.
thinking about going to prison too.
Maze vagina.
Crotchless panty.
Oh,
Do you want to get some like crotchless pantyhose?
I was about to say, what's the point in that? And then I was like, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That just proves how gay I am, see? I just didn't consider dick. Put that on your head. Put it on. Yeah, right now. Put it on. Okay, this is pointless. What will we do? We're trying to vlog. Yeah, so we're getting ready to go home. We had a really good day and Ciara's fucking freezing. And we're singing Christmas carols and holding our boobs as you do. He likes it. He's cracked him. He knows what's up. What up? We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah, dick. Yeah, dick.
I feel like I'm a stripper. I'm like up on this pedestal. Like, oh.
Yeah, they look at that ass. Everyone's looking at us.
Good.
Will we show them the lights?
Show the lights.
Look how pretty. Show them the birds. I love Dublin. Okay.
Oh, you can see my badges.
This is goodbye.